I'm super excited because you know I love lip stuff and I love NYX lip stuff. And so when I heard they came out with this powder puff lippy thingy, I was like, oh, okay, I need all of them. It's time to do a swatch video. And all the colors looked like really beautiful. So there are 8 colors and I got them all from Ulta. I just bought them all at once. And this is the NYX Professional Makeup Powder Puff Lippy, and it's a powder lip cream. So I'm guessing it's some kind of soft matte slash moussey satiny finish. So swatch time. I love how they feel on my mouth. They don't feel super drying or too glossy or sticky. I don't know if any of you guys get this feeling like when you touch something that's too like ashy or like too like a certain type of material and it kind of makes your breath catch, like you can't breathe, like you're short of breath. That happens to me. I don't know if it happens to you guys, but this kind of gives me that feeling like it's a I know somebody out there understands what I'm talking about. Okay, so I think the colors are very beautiful. Obviously some of them are going to be a little bit too bright or neon for my skin tone. I feel that's just how I feel for myself. You want to wear them without like a pencil or like a darker color around the edges, that's fine. But I prefer to have like a pencil to balance out, like a darker pencil to balance out some of those brighter colors. But I do really love all of them, like I said, and you should really check them out. Okay, any questions you get, you can ask below. And as you will see in the following clips, I nicked my finger trying to open these boxes. Not because they were difficult, but I was trying to make sure to open them in a way where the length of the box would be still intact so that I can take pictures later to post. So I hurt myself, unfortunately, but so goes it. Do it for the gram, do it for the YouTube, do it for the followers. Thank you guys. Ooh, hello. Thank you guys for watching. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh my Guys, I just love, oh my gosh, it's not like thick. Oh my gosh. This is a very nice everyday color. Oh my god. Ooh. Number 7, Moody. Hurts like hell. This actually hurts like hell. Now I'm moody.